I transferred to Cornell because I wanted to be at a place that prioritized its engineering program while also having a good balance of other academic disciplines. That was one thing that I think I was missing from my old school, and something that Cornell gave me plenty of. Through project teams and research labs and classes, having all three of those things together really just made for an environment that allowed me to take the shortest path possible to becoming the best engineer that I could be. When I first joined Cornell, they were very welcoming with me. I went through orientation with all the freshmen, and I made a lot of friends. And then in addition to that, Cornell also put me with like a cohort of transfer students, so I was able to connect with them a lot, and some of them I'm friends with to this day. As soon as I got to Cornell, I really just hit the ground running. Last semester, I took microcontrollers with Hunter Adams, and that was a phenomenal class. The way he taught the class, it was a perfect combination of learning technical skills, but employing them to let your creative side come out. I remember for our first lab, we were synthesizing bird songs from pure audio frequencies that we generated inside the microcontroller. And for the second one, we were hyper-optimizing the physics simulations of a Galton board. And when he would lecture, he would talk about not just the technical side of how do you program this on the register level, but then also what goes into a bird song. Why do bird songs sound like this? Those moments when I would be walking home having learned something really, really cool, that I realized oh my God, I'm so glad that I transferred. Because I don't think I would have gotten those opportunities if I had been at any other school.